Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. The remembrance of God has been an excellent thing for the mental health of the mankind for the time of his origin. This is an act of thankfulness and the praise of the Creator of the entire universe and whatever is therein. Whenever I feel some kind of anxiety or tension, then I start remembering God like La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah continuously. Then Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah continuously. Then Ya Rahman, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahman continuously. Then Ya Rahim, Ya Rahim, Ya Rahim, this also continuously. Then Ya Hafiz, Ya Hafiz, Ya Hafiz, O Protector continuously. Then sometime Ya Zal Jalali wal Ikram continuously. Then Anta Wali Fid Dunya wal Akhirah. As many time I can. Ya Rabbi Anta Qawi, Ya Rabbi Anta Khalik, Ya Rabbi Anta Malik, and so on. These words of worship and praise of Allah make me quite relaxed, and the tension or any sort of depression is changed into satisfaction and relaxation. If I feel any kind of disappointment, then praise and remembrance of God fill my heart and mind with an unspeakable hopefulness.